Hello, in this video I'll be explaining my another project, that is forest monitoring system. So what is forest monitoring system? It's nothing but you have a forest and you have a square area of the forest and you monitor that forest. Now the reason we need to monitor the forest is we see deforestation, we see many climatic change. So we need to monitor our forest to see the health of it, whether the forest is in good condition or not. So this is the prototype what we have developed. So in this prototype we will have some conditions which is being monitored, that is nothing but the soil. We will have the atmospheric conditions, we'll have the temperature and humidity. So we getting this data, we can predict what is the condition of this forest, so we can make it better and better in the days. So I'll explain the project now. So as you can see, the sensors what I have embedded in this is, first I have the DHT22 sensor. So this is used to record the temperature and humidity. The next sensor we have is in smoke detection sensor, that is the MQ2 specification of this. We have a soil moisture sensor. This is used to get the moisture of the soil. And then we have a buzzer embedded here for any alarm system, and we have our microcontroller, Node MCU and GPS tracker embedded inside. So as you can see, the connection all is being hidden and we have inside. So let's see how this project will run. So initially, if you see how this works is the GPS, using GPS we get the location of this forest. So why do we need location of forest? When we are projecting the data, so we need to see which forest and from which location we are getting this projection of data. So I have added the location. So if it says that some so and so location we are getting this data, you can have an idea from which forest and which location is this data coming from. That's the reason we have embedded this GPS. Now GPS and temperature can be monitored wirelessly. Let me show you the output. So because I've embedded in Node MCU and I've used the Blink Cloud server, you can see in app I'm getting the GPS as it is, the latitude, longitude, and we have the Gmap. And down you can see that I have the humidity and temperature being shown. So this is nothing but the temperature and humidity that is being changing right now, because right now it's summer and the temperatures is very high. So you can see this values. So this is wirelessly based on cloud, you can get this output. Now talking about this smoke sensor, how this smoke sensor works. So if you see right now there is no fire, so the temperature and everything is normal and you won't have any alarm system. So you can see that if there is any traces of smoke which says that there is going to be a fire, you see that the alarm, that is nothing but the fire alarm glows. So giving an alert to the city that there is an fire in this forest which coming up, so everyone has to move out, escalate, or giving a call to forest department. This is how this will work. Now in this we can see smoke. You can see the output here. We are constantly getting the smoke and the soil data. So if there is less moisture content, we have larger value, and the same if I put in a wet soil, I get a lesser value. So this is how the smoke and soil sensor works. You can see I'm getting the output. We get the soil, and this is how it works. When there is less amount of moisture, the value is more, and when there is more amount of moisture, the value is less. So these data can be monitored and you can take a decision whether the forest, it has less soil moisture, so you can just get the water from sewage or anywhere and you can water the forest. It can help it in grow for the trees. So this is the forest monitoring project what I have done. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop me a mail or comment down below. Thank you everyone.